Hey guys, what is up and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this video guys, I will be showing you guys how you can edit your photos in the Snapseed application for photo editing, to actually edit the teeth in photos to make them more white. So let's get right into it. Now, when you actually open up the app, in the middle of the screen you'll see this big plus. When you click on it, you will be able to choose a photograph from your gallery. Pick whichever one you'd like. This is the one that I picked. I downloaded this off the internet just so that I can compare white teeth with yellow teeth, or slightly off white teeth, which is perfectly natural by the way, but that's just an opinion. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So if we zoom in here to these teeth, you can see they're a bit more off white than the right ones, which is perfectly natural again. However, to actually make them more white, what you want to do is go into tools and into the brush tool. Now what we want to do is change the saturation of this picture. So we choose the saturation brush, and the low saturations or the negative saturations is where you want to be to make a white appearance of your teeth. Now when I actually start coloring over this, by the way, the small circle is the brush size that you can see. When I start coloring over it, you can see a slight color change, and that would be making the teeth more white. Now, one small disclaimer though, try not to hit the gums, of course, since that will make it look unnatural. But by dragging your brush over it, you can see the teeth are slowly turning a bit white, and that's pretty much how you actually turn them a bit whiter or whiten teeth in the Snapseed editing software. And yeah, that would be pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned something new. You can play around and find other combinations. Maybe these look too blue for you, which I would agree with, and maybe you can find another combination of another tool to help with this. But that will be it from me, and I'll see you guys in another video. See ya.